Thyroid issues affect millions of people worldwide, with conditions like hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism disrupting hormone balance and overall health. Diet plays a crucial role in managing thyroid disorders, and certain foods can exacerbate symptoms or interfere with thyroid function. In collaboration with KidneyVeg Delights, a renowned advocate for holistic health, we explore 6 foods that individuals with thyroid issues should consider eliminating from their diet for better management of their condition. Soy products. Soy products, including soybeans, tofu, and soy milk, contain compounds called goitrogens. Goitrogens interfere with the production of thyroid hormones by inhibiting the uptake of iodine by the thyroid gland. For individuals with hypothyroidism, this can further decrease thyroid hormone levels, exacerbating symptoms such as fatigue and weight gain. While moderate consumption of soy may not pose a problem for everyone, those with thyroid issues should exercise caution and limit their intake of soy products. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and kale are rich in nutrients and antioxidants, making them popular choices for a healthy diet. However, these vegetables also contain goitrogens, similar to soy products, which can interfere with thyroid function when consumed in large quantities. Cooking cruciferous vegetables can help reduce their goitrogenic properties, making them safer for individuals with thyroid issues to consume. However, it's still advisable to moderate intake, especially for those with existing thyroid conditions. Gluten. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, and it can trigger autoimmune responses in susceptible individuals. For people with autoimmune thyroid disorders like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, gluten consumption may exacerbate inflammation and worsen symptoms. Research suggests a link between gluten sensitivity and autoimmune thyroid conditions, prompting many individuals with thyroid issues to adopt a gluten-free diet. By eliminating gluten-containing foods, such as bread, pasta, and baked goods, individuals with thyroid disorders may experience improvements in symptoms and overall well-being. Processed foods. Processed foods, including packaged snacks, fast food, and prepackaged meals, often contain high levels of refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. These ingredients can contribute to inflammation and metabolic dysfunction, negatively impacting thyroid health. Additionally, processed foods are typically low in nutrients and high in calories, leading to weight gain and other health issues commonly associated with thyroid disorders. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, individuals with thyroid issues can support optimal thyroid function and overall health. Excessive iodine. Iodine is an essential mineral required for the production of thyroid hormones. While iodine deficiency can lead to hypothyroidism, excessive iodine intake can have the opposite effect, triggering or worsening hyperthyroidism. Some sources of excessive iodine include iodized salt, seaweed, and certain seafood. While iodine is necessary for thyroid health, it's essential to consume it in moderation, especially for individuals with thyroid disorders. Consulting with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian can help determine the appropriate level of iodine intake based on individual needs and health status. Refined sugar. Refined sugar, found in sugary beverages, desserts, and processed snacks, can disrupt blood sugar levels and contribute to inflammation, both of which can negatively impact thyroid function. Additionally, excessive sugar consumption can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance, further exacerbating symptoms of thyroid disorders. By reducing or eliminating refined sugar from their diet, individuals with thyroid issues can support stable blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health outcomes. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy diet is essential for managing thyroid disorders and promoting overall well-being. By avoiding certain foods that can negatively impact thyroid function, individuals with thyroid issues can better control their symptoms and improve their quality of life. KidneyVeg Delights advocates for a balanced approach to nutrition, emphasizing whole, nutrient-dense foods while limiting or avoiding potential triggers for thyroid dysfunction. Consulting with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance and support for individuals seeking to optimize their thyroid health through dietary modifications.